Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got the ironcube 56 pieces ratcheting screwdriver set. Let's check this thing out and see what it looks like, see how it is. Always needing some more tools, so I picked this up. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. Comes in a bag and then in a box. It actually was in another box inside of this. And then there's something in here too. I don't even know what this is going to be. I guess we'll see in a minute what that is. If it's even part of it, I don't know. It's in the bag. So let's see if we open this up. We got a empty box. Here is the set here. So let's check out what this looks like. Actually, it looks pretty nice. It's got a lot of different shapes and sizes and stuff. So let's see what we have here. How do you open it? It's got like a little twisty kind of holding it in place. I'm gonna have to go cut it off. Okay, so here we go. Let's open it up. And we have a little mini driver here. So that's kind of cool. And it's got what's good about this is it's got the little rotating back. So when you're doing it, you kind of like this and you just kind of keep going and going and going. You don't have to undo it. And it's gonna fit all these tiny little ones here. And see, how do they go? There we go. Just kind of pressure fits in there. There's probably like a little ball or something holding it in place, but that'll pressure fit it. And it's got like the star bits. And then the bigger ones like this, you know, wouldn't fit in there. They have the larger one here. So this is the ratcheting one here. So I guess, so now we will be unscrewing something and then we can do it the other way, and we can be screwing it in, or in the middle, just lock it in place. It's kind of cool. So also what we get with it, I'll show you down here a little bit. So here we have a extension piece. So if this one's not long enough, you can stick in the extension and then get it even longer for the small one. But it also comes with the extension for the big one. So let's see. This one here, so we can go. And so if this isn't gonna be long enough, if you're trying to stick it into a hole that's too thin or too far away, go like that. And this one looks like it's held in with, it's a magnetic, so it's a magnet hold. And then this is magnet hold as well. So very cool. So, and let's look at some of the different components that it comes with here. It comes with all your slotted different varieties of sizes here. You got some of the big ones and thinner ones. Then we've got some of the small ones here too for just super small stuff. If you're starting to work, I don't know, it might not be small enough even for the phone stuff, but maybe you can do some of that stuff. You got the star bits. I use some of these star bits for working on the car kind of stuff. It's just a straight through kind of one here. But then what's cool is we have an adapter for that, and then we can use sockets too. So it's like we got the little socket adapter, so we can do sockets up to whatever size this is, 12 millimeters. So that's kind of cool. So got 12, 11, so 10 millimeter. This is the golden one that everybody looks for. So we got a 10 millimeter. So how cool is that? So this, I don't know what this is. Let's look at it and see if there's something that came in the box. This is supposed to be something for anything. I'm gonna guess it's just something that came in the box. It opens up and there's a little magnets in there of something. No clue. I'm gonna look at the paper here and just see if it says anything. No, so I'm guessing this is just something that came in the bag here that somebody stuck into the bag of this ratcheting screwdriver set. Or maybe it's something to help remagnetize it says like a demagnetizer and magnetizer. So maybe if you need to magnetize some of the bits, you can run them through here to magnetize the bits. So that would give you the magnetic effect. So that's maybe what it's for, to magnetize the bits or screws. So see, it's a demagnetizer and magnetizer. So interesting. I've never seen one of these before, but cool. So I'm guessing that's just part of it. Looks like it would go, don't know, nowhere. It doesn't fit anywhere in the box. I guess that's why it came separate, but cool. Cool set here, this ironcube. So thumbs up for me on this set. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.